Today we'll talk about how can you share your profile on your Audiomack app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, just click on it. You just click on photo profile. It's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now. So you just keep going down here, you just go down, then it's going to show for you here share profile, just click on it. When just click here on share profile, it's going to show for you a list like this, and here can you share your profile with your friends in another apps. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.